not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Before we move on to the discussion, friends, he is our first lucky winner of the giveaway. Rohit Tripathi from Uttar Pradesh sent us a selfie with the Samsung mobile phone that he had purchased for his mother using the Amazon gift card received from the Express Current Affairs. So once again, congratulations. And he informed us that he recently gave the Uttar Pradesh Village Development Officer exam. We hope that you clear this exam and all the best for your career. Now let's start. Which is the first team to win a bilateral series in all formats in Australia? Sri Lanka, England, New Zealand or India? The answer is D, India. India became the first team to win a bilateral series in all formats in Australia. Earlier we have discussed India became the first Asian team to win a test series in Australia. In yesterday's match, the man of the match was received by Yuzvendra Chahal, who took 6 wickets and gave just 42 runs. This was one of his career best in Australia. Man of the series was awarded to Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Now, this was his 7th time that he received man of the series in one-day international cricket. So remember these points. Modi's decision to buy 36 Rafales shot the price of each jet up by what percent? 11%, 21%, 31% or 41%? The answer is D, 41%. The editor of the Hindu publishing group N. Ram gave an exclusive report on the Rafale fighter aircraft deal, which says the price of the Rafale jets increased by 41%. Now, many times you have discussed in detail regarding the Rafale deal. Now, let's have a brief discussion. In 2007, the Dassault was chosen by the UPA government for the supply of 126 Rafales, of which 18 are flyaways along with 108 to be manufactured in India by Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. But in 2015, the Modi government announced to buy 36 Rafale fighter jets from France instead of 126 asked for by the Indian Air Force. Now, by the recent revelations of the NRAM, the opposition parties make a clear demand to have a joint parliamentary committee probe or the JPC probe in the Rafale deal. ISRO has planned to launch how many missions in the year 2019? 20 missions, 25 missions, 30 missions or 32 missions? The answer is D, 32 missions. As announced by the ISRO chairman, ISRO had planned to launch 32 missions in the year 2019. The chairman of the ISRO, K.Sivan, recently announced a young scientist program also. Now, the main aim of this program is to reach out to the students. 3 students are selected, each from 29 states and 7 union territories. Now, these students will be given experience to build a satellite. If the satellite is good, the ISRO will launch it. The program is similar to the US space agency NASA student outreach. Under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Grameen, which state had provided the least percentage of land to the beneficiaries? Maharashtra, Assam, Bihar or Odisha? The answer is A, Maharashtra. The state of Maharashtra had provided the least percentage of land to the beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Grameen. From exam point of view, the central government schemes are very important. Do remember the main aim of the schemes. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Grameen, the main target of the scheme is to provide housing for the rural poor, and 1 crore houses to be completed by March 31st, 2019 under this scheme. But the achieved is only 66% of the target. And Maharashtra had provided land for only 890 people out of 1.39 lakh beneficiaries, that is only 0.6%, very least when compared with other states. And West Bengal is the one such state that had not allotted land for even a single of its landless beneficiaries. India inks agreement with which of the following country for the import of uranium? Canada, Uzbekistan, Australia, Russia. The answer is B, Uzbekistan. India inks agreement with Uzbekistan for the import of uranium. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Uzbekistan President, very important from exam point of view, do remember Shavkat Mirziyoyev inked a pact for the import of uranium from the Central Asian country named Uzbekistan. The agreement was signed at the event called Vibrant Gujarat Summit, where the President of Uzbekistan was the chief guest. Now, the capital of Uzbekistan is the Tashkent. Uzbekistan ranked as world 7th in uranium supplier. Now, this is the country of Uzbekistan. Extreme right, we have India here in the map, bordered by the Pakistan to the left, which is again bordered by Afghanistan and later by Uzbekistan. Who is appointed as the new Chief Justice of Pakistan? Justice Asif Saeed Kohsa, Justice Abdul Rashid, Justice Anwar Zahir Jamali, or Justice Jawad S. Khwaja? The answer is A. Justice Asif Saeed Kohsa is appointed as the new Chief Justice of Pakistan. Justice Asif Saeed Kohsa takes oath as the 26th Chief Justice of Pakistan, and his oath has been administered by the President of Pakistan. Remember, it is Arif Alvi. Now, nobody asked the Prime Minister of Pakistan. We all know it is Imran Khan. Remember, the Chief Justice of Pakistan along with the President of Pakistan. What is the rank of India in research papers on artificial intelligence? 3rd rank, 5th rank, 10th or 15th rank? The answer is A, 3rd rank. India ranks 3rd in the world in terms of high quality research publications in artificial intelligence. Now, this was the analysis done by the research agency Itihasa, founded by Chris Gopalakrishnan, former CEO and co-founder of the Infosys. Now, the list was topped by the China, followed by the USA, but when cited in the number of times an article is referenced, India ranked at 5th place after Canada, US, China and United Kingdom. So, India must work at improving quality of its research output in artificial intelligence. Chikungunya is caused by the bite of which of the following mosquito? Culex mosquito, Aedes aegypti mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito, or Asian tiger mosquito? The answer is B, Aedes aegypti mosquito. Aedes aegypti mosquito causes both chikungunya along with the dengue. The spread of chikungunya increased to 4 times from the year 2000 to 2016. The study has been published in Journal of the Infectious Disease. The study found that chikungunya transmitted at peaks at 29 degrees centigrade, and South India temperatures are the most favorable conditions for the mosquito breeding. Who was the defending champion of the Australian Open 2018 singles title in women's category? Serena Williams, Caroline Wozniacki, Simona Halep, or Maria Sharapova? The answer is B, Carolina Wozniacki was the defending champion of the Australian Open 2018 singles title in women's category. Now, yesterday Maria Sharapova from Russia knocks out the defending champion Carolina Wozniacki of Denmark in Australian Open 2019. Remember the players along with the country they belongs to, very important from exam point of view. Let's see the question for the day. Who becomes the first Indian athlete to be nominated in Laurus World Comeback of Year Award? PV Sindhu, Virat Kohli, Vinesh Phogat, or Mary Kom? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Who became the world's youngest mountaineer to climb 7 peaks and 7 volcano summits across all continents? The answer is A. Satyarup Siddhanta is rightly answered by many people in the comment section. Rohit Tripathi, Study Fast, Rupa Ganesh, Malayala Falguna, Indra Vadan Solanki and Amit Kumar. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Now remember the Mount Sidley. Now when the Satyarup Siddhanta mountaineer from Bengal set foot on Antarctica's highest volcano Mount Sidley, he became the youngest person in the world to conquer this feat. Expect a question from this area, very important. You must have minimum idea of the highest peaks located in the 7 continents. In Asia, it is Mount Everest. In South America, it is Aconcagua. In North America, it is Mount McKinley. Africa, Kilimanjaro. Europe, Mount Elbrus. Antarctica is Mount Vinson, and Australia, it is Mount Kosciuszko. So remember all these peaks, very important. Quote for the day: there are 2 types of people who will tell you that you cannot make a difference in this world. The first type is those who are afraid to try, and the second one is those who are afraid that you will succeed. So if you hear anyone saying that you cannot do it, give a deaf ear to them and just ignore them. This is it for today. Have a happy weekend and see you on Monday. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.